Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can easily unblock a contact or a person on Snapchat. So if you've blocked someone on accident, or you blocked them on purpose and now want to unblock him or her, then watch this video. So the first step that I'll do is to open my Snapchat app and then I'm gonna block one contact which I will unblock later. So let's block this person, and he is blocked. Now when I want to unblock someone, then you want to go and click on your profile picture icon at the top left. And when we get to our profile we want to tap on this little gear icon at the top right in order to open our Snapchat settings. When you get to this page, simply scroll down until you can see the block users under the privacy controls. And here is a list of all the people we've blocked on Snapchat. Just tap on the little X next to the person you want to unblock, and just confirm your decision. So that's it for this video, and that's how you can unblock a person. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.